front of me is Honor Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then click on App Twin and select the gray switcher next to any available app that you wish to clone. In my case, Facebook. When you're ready, just go back. So now when I look for my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on Now Blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!